Hey everybody, I'm Sharina Tyler, future RVP from Houston, Texas. Here is a video for the power of compound interest and the rule of 72. Suppose your parents had deposited $1,000 on the day you were born. If you left that account untouched until you turned 67, that $1,000 would have grown to $406,466 without you having to add another penny. But if you're like most people, you don't have a lot of money. That's why time is so critical when you're young. You can save small amounts and still end up with thousands of dollars. If you wait, you'll begin saving, you must save much more. If you want to be financially independent, you have no choice. You must start now, or later, you must save more. One thing is certain, you can't afford the high cost of waiting. If your goal is to save $500,000 for retirement at age 67, look at what the difference makes. If you start at 25, you only have to pay $89 a month. At age 35, $224, more than 2 times more. At age 45, $602 a month, nearly 7 times more than 25. At age 55, you have to save $1,926 a month, more than 21 times. The sooner you begin to save, the greater growth on your investment. The high cost of waiting is $100 a month at 9%. If you begin at age 25, by the time you get to age 67, you'll have $566,000. At age 26, 49, at age 26, just 1 year later, $517,150. The cost to wait was $49,770. At age 30, you'll gain $357,240. That's $209,000 at age 25. And at 40, you'll have $137,780, more than $400,000 less than at age 25. You've seen how time can be a friend of growth, but most people don't have $1,000 to deposit at once. They must depend on smaller amounts, invested on a schedule to build wealth. If that's your situation, consistency can be the fuel to make your investment grow exponentially. And that's where we come with the power of compound interest. Remember those parents that deposited $1,000 at the hypothetical rate of 9% when their child was born? The annual interest rate would be $90 a year. And $90 a year, when multiplied by 67 years, is $6,030. Then how did Paul withdraw more than $400,000 at age 67? Because one of the most important keys to wealth you can ever learn is the power of compound interest. The first year's interest on the investment of 9% of $90 was credited to the $1,000 to make $1,090. The next year, $98 was earned on the $1,090. The total in the account was $1,188. As the account grew each year, the interest payment was calculated on the total account, including all the past interest payments. The compounding of interest is how $1,000 grew to more than $400,000. With the power of compound interest at work for you, you'll be amazed at how quickly a few $100s can become $1,000. Now, do you know the rule of 72? Another important concept in understanding the power of compound interest is the rule of 72. Your money will double at a certain point determined by dividing the number by 72 by the percentage of interest. Based on the rule of 72, a one-time contribution of $10,000 doubles 6 more times at 12% than at 3%. For instance, if you put $10,000 at 3%, it will take it 24 years for it to double into $20,000. If you put that same $10,000 into 6% interest bearing account, it will double in 12 years. If you use that same $10,000 and you find an account that has an interest rate of 12% interest, it will double every 6 years. That $10,000 will turn into $20,000. And at the age of retirement, you will have over $1 million. There's another critical key in building financial security that is often overlooked. It is the interest rate, sometimes referred to as the rate of return. The difference of a few percentage points may seem minor, but the impact of the rate of return when combined with this time is significant. You might think that you could earn a 9% rate of return instead of 4.5, your money will double. Not so. Remember the power of compound interest? That 4.5% difference adds up to much more over time. And that means, and it means thousands of dollars for you and your family. The rate of return in action. Now you can see why the rate of return you receive on your savings or investment account is so important. Your main objective in saving is to accumulate as much cash as possible. You can reach the objective in one or two ways. Number one, you can either save more money and accept a lower percentage, or you can save less money at a higher percentage. $100 a month at 4.5%, you will end up with $175,250 over time. Whereas $1,000 at 9%, you will have $746,040. Well, that's all I have today. Thank you for watching, and see you at the top.